Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to make the most delicious coffee and whiskey burger. For our burger, we are going to need a good sauce, so we'll start with that. For this recipe we are going to be using our Napoleon Prestige Pro 665. It's a beast, and the main thing is it's got a side burner. So that's perfect for making sauce. We'll put up our pan. Let the gas flow. 1, 2, 3, ignition. Boom, lift off. Now this is an easy sauce, so we'll put in our coffee first. 3 tablespoons honey, 3 tablespoons sugar. We're adding sugar-free tomato ketchup, so that means that we need to add a lot of honey and sugar, but at the same time it also means that we got a lot of sour taste from the acidity in the tomatoes. So we do not need to add any more sour ingredients. And for the typical barbecue flavor in our barbecue sauce, we're using 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. And now for our very much beloved ingredient, a little bit of bourbon or whiskey. And we want plenty of whiskey because we want that oak barrel flavor. While we let our sauce reduce, we're going to pickle a red onion. We slice the onion really thin because basically we're going to eat it raw. We'll put it in a jar. To that we're going to add some vinegar. This is oak barrel aged vinegar. We're going to fill it up until our onion is fully submerged. Of course we need a little bit of green on our burger just to give it that contrast. So I got a lettuce melange. Beautiful young leaf lettuce melange, and I want to make a dressing to go with it. We'll start with our base, which is apple cider vinegar. We'll put in 3 tablespoons. To that we'll add a beautiful olive oil. This is first pressing olive oil, cold pressed, very peppery. Of course we want to add pepper. A pinch of salt. When you make a dressing like this, it's a good idea to put it in a jar. It's easy to shake and then you can store it if you have some left. Our barbecue sauce is reduced by half, so we're taking it off the grill and then we'll pour it into a jar. There we go, done and ready to be used for our burger. Look at these beautiful duck breasts that we're going to use. Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to grind these up and turn them into a burger. Don't run away now. This is going to be a beautiful burger, and if you don't like duck, you can easily replace it with pork or beef. We'll cut these up to make sure that they fit our grinder. Now we'll turn this into our burger patties. Look at that. Duck is nice and fat, and that's going to make an excellent and tasty burger. There we go. We set up the grill plate and now we're going to turn on the center burner. Let the grill plate come up to temperature and then we'll start grilling our duck burger. Look at these beautiful soft buns. Now the best buns are not really made for burger. They're just beautiful soft buns. Look at that. Absolutely perfect. I'm going to cut these open, sprinkle on a little bit of olive oil, and then we're going to toast them golden brown. Our grill plate is smoking hot. Time to put on our burgers, but first a little bit of oil. Well, look at this, absolutely beautiful. Definitely time to take them off the grill because the juices are running to the top of the burger. That's when you know they're done. All of our burger ingredients are ready. And this is how you assemble your burger. Everything's done, so we'll start with one of those beautiful crispy bottoms. We'll put on a little bit of that vinaigrette that we made. Put some of that on the bottom. Now here's what we're going to do with our burger. We're taking some of that sauce and we're going to pour it over our burger. Now we let the burger patties pick up as much flavor as they can. Time to put them on the bun. Look at that. Now you know I like my burgers with double patties, so that's what we're going to do. Put on another patty. Look at that. Absolutely fantastic. That is an insane amount of flavor. And that sauce is a real coffee whiskey sauce. On top I'm going to put some of that pickled onion. That's going to give us color, and it's also going to balance out that sweetness. Put the cap on, and that's it. That is our coffee whiskey burger. Well, the duck burger looks absolutely fantastic, but I want to know, would you guys eat a duck burger? Yes or no? Let me know in the poll that I put in the link right there. Time to eat it. Time to give it a try. Let's bite into it, Anaconda style. There's one tasty burger. I'm not able to taste the duck as much as I expected. The sauce, on the other hand, is absolutely fantastic. The sweetness that it brings, the contrast with tomato ketchup, that's really there. And then the pickled onions, they balance everything out. Together with that lettuce, absolutely fantastic. I think I love this burger. Well, I hope you guys became very, very hungry. And if you did, leave me a thumbs up and a comment down below. I want to say a big thank you to everyone that's supporting our channel here on YouTube by hitting that sponsor button or via our Patreon page. And see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.